Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to mirror Windows to Smart TV. The first way is by using the Connect feature. This is for Windows 10 or 11. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, that is your window and your Smart TV. Open Settings by pressing the Windows key plus the I key. Then after getting to Opening Settings, you click on System, then click on Display, then click on Connect. Your TV should appear in the list of available devices. Select it, and then follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. That is the first method, using the Connect feature. The second method is by using Miracast, if it is supported by your TV. The steps are these. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, that is, the Windows PC and the TV. Then open Settings. Click on System, click on Display, click on Connect, then click Connect to a wireless display. Your TV should appear in the list of available devices, then select it. Follow the on-screen instructions and that's it. Next, you can use a HDMI cable for wired connection. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your computer. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your TV. Switch your TV's input source to the corresponding HDMI input. You may also need to adjust display settings on your computer to extend or duplicate your screen. Those are the methods. Those are the ways you can mirror Windows to Smart TV. Now, there are some things you need to note before you do this. One is compatibility. Ensure your TV and computer support the chosen mirroring method, whether it is Miracast, Wi-Fi Direct, or whichever. Next, performance. Wireless mirroring may experience some lag or latency, especially for activities like gaming. Next is troubleshooting. If you encounter issues, try restarting both devices, checking Wi-Fi signal strength, and updating your drivers. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you successfully mirror your Windows screen to your Smart TV. Thanks for watching.